Welcome to Baru Education Channel, the channel that keeps you updated with important current affairs and general knowledge. Sports. Question 1. Tingong Wangpan, who recently won gold at the 7th International Para Athletics Championship 2025, competed in which event? Correct answer is option B, men's 400 meter, T35 category. Tingong Wangpan of Arunachal Pradesh won gold in the men's 400 meter, T35 at the 7th International Para Athletics Championship 2025 in Bengaluru. He will represent India at the upcoming World Championship in Delhi. Environment and ecology. Question 2. The Hoolock gibbon is listed under which schedule of the Wildlife Protection Act 1972? Correct answer is option A, Schedule 1. Schedule 1. These species receive the highest protection under the Wildlife Protection Act with strict penalties for violations. Examples: Bengal tiger, Hoolock gibbon. Schedule 2. Species under this schedule get moderate protection. Hunting is prohibited with some exceptions. Examples: Indian cobra, Indian monitor lizard. Schedule 3 includes species that are protected though with lower legal safeguards compared to Schedules 1 and 2. Examples include the chinkara, Indian gazelle, and nilgai, that is blue bull. Schedule 4. These animals are protected but less threatened with lower penalties for offences. Examples: garden lizard, house crow. Schedule 5. Animals listed here are considered vermin and may be hunted as per government rules. Examples: common crow, fruit bat. National parks. Question 3. Where is Banner Ghatta National Park located? Correct answer is option D, Karnataka. Banner Ghatta National Park is a national park in India, located in Bengaluru and Ramnagar district of Karnataka. It was founded in 1970 and declared as a national park in 1974. Question 4. Biggest wildlife sanctuary in Arunachal Pradesh? Correct answer is option B, Dibang. The Dibang Wildlife Sanctuary is one of the 8 wildlife sanctuaries of Arunachal Pradesh, India. It is located in the upper Dibang Valley district. A new species of a flying squirrel has been recently discovered from the edge of this sanctuary. It has been named the Mishmi Hills Giant Flying Squirrel, that is Peturista mishminensis. Reports and ranks. Question 5. What was India's ranking in the World Economic Forum's Global Gender Gap Report 2025? Correct answer is option B, 131. India ranked 131 in the Global Gender Gap Report 2025, dropping from 129 in 2024 despite a slight improvement in its score to 64.1%. The report, published by the World Economic Forum, assesses gender parity in health, education, economy, and politics. The World Economic Forum publishes key reports such as the Global Gender Gap Report, Global Competitiveness Report, Global Risk Report, Future of Jobs Report, Net Zero Industry Tracker, and the Global Energy Transition Index, covering issues from economy and employment to climate and equality. History. Question 6. Which ruler of Bengal founded the ancient university called Vikramshila. Correct answer is option A, Dharmapala. Vikramshila University was founded by Pala ruler Dharampala in the late 8th or early 9th century as a center for Buddhist learning, alongside Nalanda in present-day Bihar. Nalanda University was established by Emperor Kumaragupta I of the Gupta dynasty in the 5th century CE. It was a renowned Buddhist monastery and center of learning located in ancient Magad, which is now Bihar, India. Question 7. The historic Lucknow Pact was signed in Correct answer is option B, 1916. The Lucknow Pact was signed in 1916 between the Congress and the Muslim League to present a united front to the British and demand constitutional reforms. Geography. Question 8. What is Suffolk? Correct answer is option A, a low stratus. Fog is essentially a low-lying stratus cloud that forms near the ground. It consists of tiny water droplets suspended in the air, reducing visibility. Question 9. The Bhakra Dam is rebuilt across the river. Correct answer is option B, Satluj. Bhakra Nangal Dam is a concrete gravity dam on the Satluj River in Himachal Pradesh. The dam forms the Gobind Sagar Reservoir. Nangal Dam is in Punjab, downstream of Bhakra Dam. However, sometimes both the dams together are called Bhakra Nangal Dam, though they are separate dams. It is the second tallest dam in Asia. General Science. Question 10. Thiamine deficiency or beriberi refers to the lack of Correct answer is option B, vitamin B1. Vitamin K, excessive bleeding or hemorrhage due to impaired blood clotting. Vitamin B1, beriberi, affects nervous and cardiovascular systems. Vitamin C, scurvy, causes bleeding gums, weakness, joint pain. Nicotine is not a vitamin. It's a stimulant drug found in tobacco, causes addiction, not deficiency. These are the results of lack of respective vitamins. Thank you for watching, and to support this channel, like, share and subscribe.